So this video is going to be on this junk that you find in your toilet. This toilet's not even 6 months old. What is this stuff? It's mold. Where does it come from? It is inside the rim. Now this is the rim. This is where the water jets come out. So this rim job needs to be complete by getting something into the holes to try to flush out this mold. So you can clean this toilet, but this stuff's going to keep coming back. Let me get a mirror and see if we can look at this. Mirror is absolutely filthy, kind of dusted a little bit. Can I get underneath there so you can see? Look at it. It's all over. It is all over the, look at that. So it's all over the rim, it's under the rim, it's in the rim. And what some people have suggested on YouTube is you pour vinegar into the spout in the tank. Some people say you pour it into the spout, you let it flush. Other people say you pour it in the spout, you put tape on the rim holes and let the stuff stay inside the rim. I don't have a week to do this. I don't have hours to do this. So I'm going to do a little test right now. What's stronger than vinegar? A toilet bowl cleaner. Now the toilet bowl cleaner, you got to be careful because it's acidic. You don't want it going in your eyes, you don't want it on your hands. You also don't want to have it around plastic. But we're going to do a test right now. We're going to see what happens. This is strictly a test. Okay. Let's open this up. So that's the spout where the water goes in. The water goes in, it drains through the rim holes of your toilet. And what we're going to try to do, what I'm going to try to do, is I've got this container of Lysol toilet. Is this Lysol? Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. Quick stuff. And I just want to pour some of this in here right now. We're going to see if it comes down through. I'm trying to figure out how I can do this without spilling it and burning my hands. Now really, what should be happening is this stuff should be draining through the rim. And it isn't. Maybe I need to put a whole bunch in there. Whoa, there we go. So it comes in through there, but it is not going through the rimosis. It was supposed to come out of the rim. I see absolutely nothing shooting out of the rim. So the idea of pouring the vinegar into that drain and having it come out of the holes, we can already see that's just not happening. So rather than waste zillions of time trying to clean this toilet out, I think the easiest way is zoom out. What we're going to do is use this cleaner and shoot it up in here. Now it's definitely not going to get in the rim job holes, but I think this is a little bit more effective than, I'm also putting it around the toilet because the stuff grows everywhere. It's not that expensive to buy a 4-bottle pack of this at Costco. The right way to do this would be to drain all the water out of the toilet so that you're dealing with full strength. Okay, so be really careful if you're going to use a brush, a toilet brush, because toilet brushes tend to cause things to spray and move, and you don't want to do that unless you're wearing glasses or have protection. But this is going to keep coming back. I know the videos that are getting hundreds of thousands of views and making the people millions of dollars telling you how to clean your toilet. This doesn't last. There's no way this is going to last. This is going to keep coming back forever because these new toilets, the way they're designed, seem to be causing this mold to grow. Before these new toilets were installed in the house, none of these toilets had a mold problem. But now, they all have a mold problem within a couple months, couple weeks. And yes, I could get in there with a brush and clean out the holes. I don't really care. I don't really care. I don't care about having an absolutely spotless toilet. You can see, I think you can see right now, there's mold coming off all underneath this rim. It grows everywhere. And that's why it keeps coming back. It's in the toilet, it's in the rim, it's in the holes, and it's going to keep coming back no matter what. So unless you want to be dealing with using harsh chemicals that you're going to be breathing into your lungs, that are going to be going into your eye membranes, my suggestion would be, when it gets to be disgusting, get a brush, clean the toilet, don't use chemicals, even vinegar, because it's going to keep coming back. That's what I'm trying to get across to you. This stuff is never going away. I'm cleaning this toilet right now. This stuff will grow. Within a month at the most, this toilet will have all of this gunk back, the way you just saw it. So I'm going to try something before I shut off the video. We've been doing a little bit of scrubbing. It's all underneath the rim, all of it. I'm looking under the rim right now. Let's see. The whole toilet completely covered with this stuff. Again, you shouldn't be doing this unless you're wearing gloves. This is muriatic acid or kind of like that. It's very toxic. It's very dangerous for your membranes, for your eyes, for your lungs, for your nostrils, or whatever else you're using to see or hear or survive. So I've been scrubbing. Again, this is much more toxic and very strong compared to vinegar. And it's still not cleaning the rim. So what I'm going to do, I've done about as much as I can with the chemical. I'm not going to leave this stuff in the toilet overnight. Some people say leave your vinegar, your cleaners in your toilet. You can damage the finish, or you can make the air toxic. Don't do that. Don't be a fool. Let's flush the toilet and see what we get. See all that gunk that's still floating around in there? Look at that. Not good. Now I want to get all this chemical stuff off the rim before I finish off my toilet cleaning. You can't get rid of it. It's everywhere. And again, if you're a clean freak and you want to breathe all these chemicals and have all this garbage in your system, that's up to you. Get the brush as clean as I can. All right. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're going to finish it off. And even though I'm doing this just to try to clean whatever is underneath there, remember, it's still in the hole. It's deep in the hole. Oh, it's running down right now. I'm not going to move the camera. It is running down from the rim. You can see all that gunk in the water. It's all coming off on the rim. Don't use a pumice stone. Don't go in there and use pipe cleaners. Don't go in there with sandpaper. It doesn't matter. This is going to be happening for the rest of your life as long as you have these toilets. Look how filthy that water is. Look at that. And I'm sure, like I said, if I put something inside these holes and try to scrub them, it's going to remove whatever is in there, but it's coming right back. It's coming right back. So these videos that say this is how you clean it and it goes away, no, it's never going away. It's going to keep coming back. It's on the, I'm looking right now, it's on the toilet seat. It's everywhere. It grows and it's everywhere. Okay, do a little nice wipe job on your toilet. Sponges are cheap. Throw it out. Throw it away. You don't want to have toxic stuff on your sponge. Your hands you can wash. You can wash them. But don't put your hands in there till all these chemicals are gone. I'm going to go in there and clean that little hole down at the bottom. I'm putting a sponge in that hole. I'm trying to insert my middle finger and getting it deep in there. Look at all the junk that just came out of that hole. It's everywhere, people. It's taken over the world. Thanks for watching my video. I'm trying to clean the mold out of your toilet. Oh, that's beautiful. Sponge goes in the trash. Don't touch anything till you wash your hands. Right? One wash. Get under the nails, get under the nails. Use that hand brush. Yeah, get the nails, the hand brush. The only thing that I still have besides my hand cleaner and my masks for the pandemic is this incredible hand brush that I bought that I use almost every day. Hands are clean. Put the mirror away. Ooh, this Lysol is almost running down the countertop. Yikes. Wipe it up, close the cover, the container. Okay, oh, it's running down the other side. You go wash the bottle. The outside is leaked everywhere. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. The hands are clean. Okay, the chemicals are off the hands. Let's get the tank. Cover. Put the cover on. Be really careful, because if you break the cover, if you crack the cover of your tank, you can't replace it. Buy a new toilet. All right. that's it.